Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Gyaru outfit and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can put on this hairstyle and then you're going to color it with this color and combine it with this bang, make it the same color and put on this eyelash. And you're going to select toggle 6 and then this necklace, make it white, and this one make it white as well. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this jacket, and for this jacket I'm going to apply this pattern. Okay, and for the second selection I'm going to make it black, and for the third selection as well. Okay, and just leave it like that for the last selection. And then I'm going to move to this area and I'm going to put on this top and make it black. And then put on this boots. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this pant. Okay, for the second selection you're going to apply this pattern. And for the third selection, I'm going to make it black. And I'm going to combine it with this belt. Okay, just leave it like that for the belt. And I'm going to move to this area. And we're going to put on this mesh and make it thick. And select toggle 5. Okay, and I'm going to put on this hat. For the hat, I'm going to make it black for the first selection. Then you're going to put on the stocking. For the stocking, I'm going to make it black. Alright, and I'm going to put on this item. And we're going to make it a toggle 2. And for the pattern guys, we're going to apply this one. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to put on an accessory. You're going to put on this bag and then you're going to apply this pattern for the first selection and also the second selection, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.